Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation. And here's your quote for today. Everyone wants to be successful until they see what it actually takes. Everyone wants success in some way, to exceed expectations of others and become something truly special and unique. But the stumbling block is for the 99% of people who don't actually want to do the work. The hard work is draining. It beats you up mentally and will always question, just why did you start it? But it's those moments of blood, sweat and tears that no one else that sets you apart from the rest.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.